BMW is seriously considering launching a new flagship coupe that would replace the 8 Series. We are talking about the BMW 9 Series. I think you have already guessed that the new BMW-Alpina brand is involved here, which is officially operated as an independent ultra-luxury division within the BMW Group since the beginning of 2026. Yes, friends, BMW could soon add an even more luxurious and expensive flagship Grand Tour to its lineup, the BMW-Alpina 9 Series. It would sit somewhere between Rolls-Royce and BMW and directly compete with Mercedes-Maybach, which also appears to have a new coupe somewhere on the horizon. What this coupe could look like, what kind of design language it might use, and what kind of car it could ultimately become was clearly demonstrated by the new BMW-Alpina Vision concept, showcased at prestigious design events ranging from Villa d'Este to events held during Monterey Car Week. Essentially, this is almost a production-ready preview of the future 9 Series. The concept is a spectacular 5.2-meter-long automobile with a recognizable classic Grand Tour silhouette, a massive and incredibly long hood inspired by the legendary shark nose, and a genuine V8 hiding underneath it. The hood flows almost like a waterfall into a huge, imposing radiator grille. It consists of large sections with complex geometry that visually resemble individual panels merged into one enormous design element. The look is complete with slim lighting elements and a concealed headlight assembly integrated into the outer sections of the front bumper. This is more or less the design language the new coupe could adopt, with only minor changes required for a production version. The interior is no less impressive. The coupe features an ultra-luxurious cabin finished with handcrafted natural leather, polished metal, and substantial crystal elements. Everything is exactly what you would expect from a flagship model. In fact, it could become one of the most luxurious interiors ever created by BMW. As for the powertrain, yes, there will be a V8 under the hood, and this is not a joke. The 9 Series is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain built around a 4.4-liter V8, producing an enormous 800 horsepower and 1,200 newton-meters of torque. For a large 5-meter-long 4-seat Grand Tour, those numbers are actually quite reasonable. Just look at Aston Martin and other manufacturers in this segment. BMW clearly wants to enter the world of the British luxury elite, and the 9 Series name fits this ambition perfectly. BMW officials, however, are still avoiding any direct statements suggesting that the concept will become a production car. For now, the company presents it purely as a one-off design study. Of course, this is a fairly typical reaction from automakers when speculation surrounding a potential future model starts getting too close to reality. Nevertheless, if we put all the pieces together, the dramatic history of the 8 Series family may well have encouraged BMW to consider a more luxurious successor. BMW understood that simply eliminating the 8 Series without offering anything in return would be a poor strategy. So friends, get ready to welcome a new member of the family. Although, to be honest, most of us probably won't be able to afford one, because the price tag is likely to be absolutely astronomical.